Hello and welcome to Easy How to Videos. In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok videos without a watermark using your desktop computer. First, we go to tiktok.com and click on the video that we want to download. There are some tools to download TikTok videos without watermark, and here I'm gonna use Talk Download. It's very simple. After you open Talk Download, you can copy the video link on TikTok and paste it to Talk Download. Then we hit the download button and wait until Talk Download process the link. When it's ready, we can download the video cover or the whole video without a watermark on it. After the download is complete, it will be saved in your download folders and you can play it offline anytime you like. So that's it, my easy guide on how to download TikTok videos on your desktop computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on my next easy how-to videos. See you on the next video.